Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do a review on the Mist Maker Lighted Cauldron. This is from Dollar Tree. It's $6. So it's one of their plus items. But if you really love the fog machines at Halloween time, then this is a great alternative. You don't need any dry ice. What this is you just add water to it, plug it in, and you're going to supposedly get a little fog machine effect. So let's open it up and let's take a look at what we got. So a little sheet here, no directions, just, all that stuff you don't read. So here is the cauldron that you get. So pretty cool. I think I want to definitely bling this up a little bit. Not much going on here, right? But this would be very easy to add some glitter. So I will do that because I definitely need more in there. So it looks like there's like a fountain in here. This reminds me of like the chocolate fountains you see. So that's that. And then it comes with a little USB cord, or whatever these are called. So we all have these. So if you lose this, we all should have them. It does not come with a block. All right. So you will need a block, which I have here. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to find a spot for my box. Okay. And you will need, so I have a block here. All right. So going to go ahead and put this end in. All right, and then on the side here, you have your other connecting spot, and you're going to put this in. Okay, so you are going to hear a click. You want to hear that, and then you know it's connected. All right, and now it says to add some water. Now, it does not give you the amount of water to add, but there is a little thing here, and it says max. So you're going to fill it up to the top of that line. Okay, so I have my little potion bottle. Did not come with it. It's mine. And I'm going to put some water in there. Whoops. I knew I was going to spill that. All right. And I'm going to plug it in now. And let's see what happens. Okay, it's making some noise. I don't know if you can hear that noise. Kind of sounds like crickets. But very faint, very quiet, really, if you're going to have this running all day. So pretty cool. So I guess it's doing its thing. I'm going to shut off the lights and see if you can see it better. All right, that's cool. So this must just take a minute. Okay, now I'm wondering, I got some water on the inside of this thing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I would be more careful pouring the water, and I did get water on the inside, and I think it had to clear that first. But I would say this is a winner. The color's changing, and it's not even that dark in here yet. I shut the lights, but I probably can get a much better view later. I will go ahead and get that for you once it's really dark. But it's putting out quite a bit of fog. So I think this would be great for parties. This is just fun to have around the house for the holidays. I am going to decorate it more around the edge. Probably make it look like green potion coming out. Some glitter. It definitely needs a little more something for the holiday. But I would say definitely go with this. $6 at the Dollar Tree. Mist Maker Lighted Cauldron. Definitely worth it. I think it's going to be, you probably could run this for a few hours with just that one bit of water in there. It doesn't tell you how much time you get, but I would definitely say go out and get yourself 1, 2, or 3. They will go fast once people know how cool this is. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining in, and we will be back with my decorated one. Bye-bye.